And to all of my trading friends around the world, we really do care about you. I have a 60-minute chart right here. Today's date, 5/1/2019. Yes, it is. We had the FOMC meeting today. We have told people that we were extremely overbought on the S&P 500. This is an S&P 60-minute chart. We own this trading application. It's Panther. So each line on a 60-minute was 1/4 delta. That would equal 6.03. And you can see here that we had some gaps and things like that that were working early on. And we had made the highs up here, the FOMC meeting. We tanked all the way down here, closed out at 29.24, and we were extremely overbought. We've had a very long run, and there is a correction now that's overdue. The first 5 months that we started the year, starting this is the fifth month, so the first 4 months have started extremely well, like it did in 1987 and whatnot. So this is a 60-minute chart, S&P 500, and when the Federal Reserve came out and they announced not changing rates, everybody was hooked on a rate cut. No, when he had his little speech, it tanked these markets. This was a sell the news event to start with. Not only that, we've been extremely overbought. Here, I'll prove it to you right now. Here, Free Option Trader channel, the one that you guys look at, we talk about bull market, S&P 500. We talk about the Dow. We talk about that these markets are overbought. And there's lots of different ones here. The proof is here for you. Just go back and take a look at all of your indexes and whatnot, and your S&P 500 indexes. They're here on the channel. So nonetheless, I'm going to go back to the 3-minute. When we tanked, let's make it clear, the gap the market opened again, ran it up to 29.54, and the low was 29.24. P 500 29.20 put. So when they gapped the markets up, this was totally out of the money, below the market by a long shot. And they got these things down here to $2.30. When we had that late day sellout on this put chart on that strike price, we had a big breakout up here to $13. And we were buying it out of the money, and we had owned it, and we bought more. And there were other contracts that we bought, but I want to show you that if you're in the live trading room, I will give out the orders. Today was an event that was, no matter what he did, it will sell the news. And we told people, sell the news, and we did. So basically what I will say, as far as we're moving forward, it's time to go ahead and start lightening up on positions. But this was a great one. It was a 29.20 put. It got down here to these lows today. Here's that other low. And they did. $2.30. A high, 13. So when you see the S&P 500 tanking, that's why these went straight up. The fear indicator went up. There was too much complacency. There was just too many things that was going on where people were just too comfortable with the market. And they need to get a haircut. It would teach them a lesson. And, you know, you got to know when to take a profit. You have to know when things are going to be happening in these indexes. We're here for you at freeoptiontrader.com. Sign up for the free 5-day trial.